You guys, so we are here at the second car. Now we're in like a weird location at an apartment complex once again, but we're like near this pond area, near the dumpster. So there's dumpsters actually on the other side of this place, and then they have like a little dog park and stuff right there. But anyways, we have this Volkswagen GTI right here. So what we're gonna do is touch up shampoo on these seats, simply like on this bottom half of the seats. We're gonna go ahead and touch it up and stuff like that, and then give it a good, basic detail, the basic stuff. Pretty small car. Gonna go ahead and wash the outside, clay bar it, and do the same thing we did on the other one with a single high gloss polish. Just a quick one step. It's locked, but you guys can see those wheels, man. Those wheels need a lot of attention. I'm gonna spray some acid on them, and there we go. Spray some acid on them because they're pretty bad. Alright, so now we're getting into the detailing portion of the video, and I'm gonna just let the video play. Just a heads up, I'm not gonna play any music or anything like that. I just like when it's like background and just natural. You get what I'm saying? I just like enjoy it, and I see that a lot of you guys enjoy it too. So what I have in that gallon spray there, or that pump spray, is wheel acid cleaner. Now we're just doing the first pass, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this only on the rims. And by the time I get to the driver's side rim, then it's pretty much sat there for a little while, and we just rinse it right off. Just kind of like a pre-cleanse, just to knock off 90 to 95% of that dirt off the rims. And you can see Victor is following up there with our degreaser, just to loosen up some more dirt, and then he's gonna go ahead and start cleaning the wheels and tires. Alright, so we're detailing here, and a guy approaches us with his dogs, and they're like next to Victor there. He didn't even flinch, but yeah. So the owner, or not the owner, some other person in the neighborhood came up to us and asked us for some business cards, which will happen. It'll slow you down just a little bit. They'll ask you what your prices are, what you do, what's included, and stuff like that. And I simply just tell them what they need to know, give them a business card, and look forward to hearing from them. So it's just a little bit something to consider when you're out there mobile. A lot of people are watching and seeing what you're doing, so that itself attracts attention, and that's why it's good to have a sign up. We actually had a sign up here, but you guys can't see it because like I only have the the vehicle and frame, but we did have a sign up with our name and number and stuff like that, so it also attract a lot of attention. Alright, so I know I said I was gonna let the video play out and just let it like a ASMR of a type of video, but I gotta explain what I'm doing, because if not, you guys will just not understand. So I pre-rinsed the vehicle. Now Victor's still doing the wheels and tires. Granted they were a little bit dirty, so it's a small car. Just to speed up the process a little bit, I started washing the car. So I just did half the vehicle, and I want you guys to pay close attention to what I'm doing. I'm flipping my microfiber wash mitt there, right? Now, once you see me reach in the bucket, I actually have another one. So I actually I switch wash mitts, right? So I'm not using the same one. So I switch wash mitts and let the other one sit in there, right? Which is saving me time instead of like having to dunk and, wash it off at the bottom. I just, simply grab a fresh one and just keep it moving and grooving. So I don't think that I'm using the same wash mitt and I'm working, you know what I mean, against or with dirt. You get what I'm saying? So just a little something to note, that you guys should pay attention to what I'm doing, so you can see exactly what's being done in the video. Alright, so now we're all done with the full wash process. Now we're gonna go ahead and foam down the car and simply clay mitt the vehicle. So I'm just doing this honestly for show. You see Victor's there recording. I wanted to post some content and kind of just bring some more attention over to our area with all the, apartment residents here. So just a little bit of, extra, extraness. This was the last vehicle of the day, so we didn't really mind adding 15 minutes into our detailing process. Alright, so this is going to end the video here. Please make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And hustle never settle. See you guys in the next one. Let's go.